In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted file on Dropbox. If you've ever accidentally deleted a file or simply changed your mind after hitting that delete button, don't worry. Dropbox provides a straightforward way to retrieve those lost files, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to dropbox.com. You'll need to log into your Dropbox account using your usual credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one, but today we're focusing on those who already have their files synced through Dropbox. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar on the home page. You'll see an option labeled Deleted Files. Click on this. It's important to note that Dropbox stores deleted files for a period, typically 30 days for free accounts and longer for paid accounts, so you're able to recover them within that time frame. After clicking deleted files, you're taken to a page where all deleted items are listed. This might look a bit overwhelming if you have many entries, but don't worry, you can easily find the files you're looking for. Browse through this list to locate the specific files or folders you wish to restore. Dropbox conveniently organizes these in a way that mirrors your folder structure, so tracking down what you need shouldn't be too difficult. Now, if you wish to restore multiple files or folders, you can do this efficiently by selecting them all at once. To do this, look for the checkbox icon next to each item. By clicking these, you can select as many files as you need, saving you precious time if there are several items you want to recover. With your files selected, direct your attention to the Restore button. You'll find this option prominently on the page. A simple click on this button will initiate the restoration process. It's that easy. Dropbox will immediately start restoring the files or folders to their original location in your Dropbox account. And there you have it, your files are back where they belong. They'll appear exactly where they were before deletion, retaining the same folder structure and file names. Remember, the key to an easy recovery is timely action. The sooner you restore a deleted file, the less likely it is to experience difficulties related to the file no longer being available for recovery. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. By following these steps, you can rest easy, knowing your important files are never truly gone as long as you act quickly. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.